So today we'll learn how to make a earmark in funds management. So first of all, we quickly make a IO. Okay, so for this /n ko01, we have this one. We just make a copy a IO type. So it's 33, something like this. Save it. So I number is 904. Just copy this thing for the reference purpose. 904. So 904. I just made it. Okay, now I have to run this T code so that it will this IO will transfer to a FM module as well. So go here, paste the new FM order number, untick the test mark, run this thing. So it is successfully. Now I have to add some budget in this. For budget, we use FMBB /n FMBB. So enter, document type this. Okay. So fund center, we put the derivation rule. So we are just taking the default value. So funds NR grant. So these are the derivation. We just put that in case if there is no entry relating to this. So these by default value. So here we will put the IO type, IO number. So this is for, I'm just adding the budget so we can do the earmark things. So commitment items. So when we put this means that any GL account combination of any GL account with the IO will be work. So that's why we just put this thing. Otherwise, if I put any specific GL, so only then it will restrict budget for this thing. So we just in derivation we put 299 means that with this IO any GL account can be worked. So I'm just putting 1200. So 1200 one is selected, so means that equally it will be distributed equally. So just 1200. If any specific I have to put, I select this one, but one means that distribution key that equally, so $100 for each month it will come. Looks okay to me. Just I will just add this thing, post it. So this is the document number. So sometimes this document number and the family number helps a lot to find. If you want to see this document number, whatever the document, so these are the series which we 2020 we enter. So this is the one. So now going back to the earmark thing. So for earmark, the T code we have to use is, this is the, we'll see this Fury up later on. So it's FMX1 for create, 2 for chain, 3 for display. So /n. So currency this document type 11 is there. We continue like this. So here mark we are putting 400. Okay, so it is for any text you can put like. Okay, commitment item. So commitment item is the GL account. We select like we can go here 2765 star. Let's see. So first one we are taking, it's 5000. I'm just copying this as well, so I will remember this there. Okay, this is GL. I'm writing separately. This is GL. Okay, so fund center default value we are taking. Fund center is FC default. So okay, I put FC default, and I think so with the IO it will pick the cost center. Let's see. So fund NR functional area also NR grant GM none. But these are by default means that we don't work. So here is the interesting portion. See, this funded program is gray out. So now we have to put IO number here, and it will give error. I think we have to put the GL account here as well. Let's see. This number is also, I think when I put this one, then it will go. So yeah, so it's mean that earmark, if you want to use for the IO type, then you have to put the commitment item GL account, otherwise not possible. So now we have ABC on IO type 4300 series. So functional area, okay, functional area is picked from the /k/o k0 k03. So if k003, sorry. So this is a functional area, so it is coming from. So I'm thinking like maybe it will pick, but this one is not picked, but this functional area is picked. So functional area is picked, cost center doesn't. So but anyway, so you can see that funded program automatically come. So this is done. We made 400 and this was posted. So now just check this report, like will it change or not. This report is for the not the consumable amount. Let's say consumable consumed actual, so it should not change anything. So our IO is 4 and then with 4. No. Oh, that's good. So it is consumed when you do this, so means that earmark will consume. That's a good point. So 400 is consumed, like it is earmarked. So if you go there, any detail written. So this is consumed, and in Fury app does it show anything? Just wanted to check. So 29th, I most probably that's the one. Document number is 47, so it should be there. So let's see. 400 entries there, so 400 is there. So it gives only the detail if you go down. Okay, going back. So now we know that 400 is EMR. So first we'll try to enter like 1200. So we have ABC control on 85%. So in other words, if we do the calculation, let's see. So we have 85%. So 1200 we put the budget. Go there. 85 is this. So if I enter 1100, it will give error. Okay. First I will check this thing. But in so this thing because 400 is earmarked, so then the net figure is 800, right? So I think so. If I do 85% of this 680, so I think so on 700 should give a warning, not on 1020. So let's see what will happen. 680. So 680 using any GL account with IO type, same IO type. So let's see. So our IO type is this and any GL account because we use 299. So let's see what will happen. So we go to /n/fb50. You can use fb60 if you have access for AP, but for simplicity, I do it like this. So GL account should be so now again. So for this 400, we have specific GL account. We use this GL account. So for year market will we test this thing, but other than this, I'm just using any GL account with IO type any other. So let's I will use this, but the other one go here. So other than this, I will use one and any bank. So debit, credit. So what we are testing that if I enter 700, it should give me warning. Yeah, on 85% it should go warning. So let's see, because I'm also not certain that whether it's 85% on the total it will give or after reducing the earmark it will give the warning. So this I have to check. So 700, let's see. So I would, okay. So going back to the B50, 700, 700 text. Okay, so IO type is this one is IO type. So let's see. So everything's so let's see if I post it, then AVC should activate. Let's see. Almost also yes, you see that it gives error. So that is a new thing for me learning. So when you made a earmark, then the AVC is on the reduced amount, not on the total amount. So AVC is on the reduced amount, 800. So this is done. We just make this thing and 800. Okay, we post it. Just double enter, press 2 times. So this document is done. Now we see how the repose changes. So go refresh button was there. Okay. So this report FMAVCR02. So 700 plus 400, 1100. So commitment item is already there. So 400 and 700 is already there. So this is how this AVC is working. Then we check now for earmark, how earmark will work. Okay, go back to FB50. Now we are doing checking for so for earmark, the GL account should be the same which you use for the while you're creating earmark. So debit. So earmark is for 400. So we tried 450. So it should not allow us to do. I think it's 904 just to confirm. 904, yes, 904. So right now I did not attach earmark. So I have to double click on the GL account, come here, go to more, then select earmark. So document type, document number here, this thing will help you that if you copied the document number, simply copy paste, otherwise you have to search it. So test for this one, I think ending with 47. I will confirm with this as well. Document number is 65. Which document number is this? There are two documents going on. Sorry, there are two documents going on. One is family document and one is other. So which one is this? 2047 funds reservation. So it's the same to the, yeah. So there are two documents. One is category 30, this thing. Okay, just like this thing. And one thing, just to tell you, see this 001. 001 means that if there is one line, if there is two line when you are creating a earmark, so the document number is same 47, but how the system know which one you are entering want to select, so then you have to change 002 if it is enter on the second line. So this thing will help you. Okay, because in one document you can enter multiple earmarks. Done. So it should not in theory it should not allow us to do this thing because earmark is for 400, we are just putting 450, so it's a hard stop kind of thing. Okay, so if we check simulate, it will allow to simulate, but when you are posting it will then stop show, then you will get the error. Or exceed 12%. See, this exceed 12%. The total is already plus you are requesting the amount, so it gives it the percentage 12.5%. Like if you just do the calculation like 50 divided by 400 is 12.5 percentage. So this is what it is showing that. This is what it is showing that you cannot. So what you have to do, you have to just go to line 1, change the amount, make it 400, and also the other lines you also have to do 400. No, not will allow. And if you want that whether it is a test, still a test, yes, it is still a child. So oh, okay, 400. Okay. 400 earmark is there, so this is for this. Pause it. Or by exhausted, because this is a warning because it's 100% use. 400 is use. That's it is showing that it is 100% use. The camera consumption 100 less than. Okay, it's overall budget. The current budget is because previously how much we have? We have 1100 and the 400 we are entering. So if we go to this report, I think this will show. So 1200 is there. So it is showing 400, although it is earmarked, but now even before it is consumed, but now it is actually consumed. So it is showing that 100 is remaining. So overall, this is what the message was about. Double enter it, it will post. Okay, poster. So done, enter. Okay, so everything is done. So any reports, this report, what this report will do. One is 400, one is for the earmark, and the other one is the actual one. Okay. And these reports, it will remain the same because nothing has changed. The only thing is that any other report we have one report of this FMBB. It shows only the budget amount, not the consumption amount, so it will not show anything else, I think. 1200 is there. Yeah, it only shows that how much is we have, not the actual. So for the actual one, that report is good. So that's it. I will see if there is something. I don't think so there is something. So thank you so much for watching this video.